It is a spreadsheet application, like Microsoft Excel, but then hosted in the cloud. The best part of Google Sheets feature is that you only need an internet browser to access your files. Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a spreadsheet program. You can create charts of your information so that it can be quickly and easily understood. It is free to use, similar to Microsoft Excel. Getting started. From the Google homepage, select Drive. Click on New. Select Sheets. Getting started. Spreadsheets. Spreadsheets consist of columns, vertical, and rows, horizontal. Row, horizontal. Column, vertical. The intersection of a row and column is called a cell. Letters indicate columns and numbers indicate rows. Spreadsheets. A row is a group of cells that run horizontally. Rows are numerically labeled. A column is a group of cells that run vertically. Columns are alphabetically labeled. Cells are the intersection of a row and column. Cells are identified by first stating the intersecting column letter followed by the intersecting row number. For example, B2 is an example of a cell address. If you make a mistake, simply click the Undo button. Step 1. Type these words and numbers into the cells in a Google Sheet. Step 2. Select all the cells by starting in cell A3. Hold down your left mouse button and drag across and down until you have selected just the 8 cells. Make sure you have not highlighted any other cells than these 8 cells. Cell A3 start here. Step 3. Go to Insert, Chart. Step 4. Click the pie chart. Press Insert. Step 5. The pie chart will be placed into your Google Sheet. Drag it over so it is not covering up your other information. Step 6. Go back and follow the steps again to create 2 other types of charts. Don't forget to highlight the 8 cells. 2 other charts. Step 7. Click here to change the title to Toy Sales. Title. Google Sheets. Align. Font. Undo. Borders. Print. Functions. Chart. Activity number 2. Type these words and numbers into the cells in a Google Sheet. Create 3 charts. Title the sheet, Halloween Treats. Look at the next slide for hints. Hint: highlight all of these 12 cells.